I hope you all guys doing well. It's Franshu back with another video, and in this video I'm going to just pick up a random data and backtesting my strategy, how's the win rate, and how I create conviction in the market, how I view the market, what actually for reason. And to be honest guys, this is completely random video and I'm pretty much sure there's so much sauce will be in this video just because I just showing you how I create my conviction in the market, how I view the market every day, what inversion is work, what inversion is not work, and just so let's start. Just ignore this drawing, I am doing some educational content. So as always guys, just pick up a random data. Okay, okay, let's start with July. No, August, September. Okay. It's August. August looks good. No, don't looks good. I didn't even see the charts. Okay. So, okay, first of all, let on the forex factory. Which what you are doing, I think. Oh, okay, August. Start with Monday, 4th of August. You can. Okay, trend is bearish, but I think now it's look bullish. Just because, okay, it's my toolbox. Because we actually ended up sweeping the sell side liquidity and we actually have a huge nice push toward the buy side. So okay, what for reason look like? I just wait for price to rebalance back to this inefficiency right here, and then I'm slapping longs if we actually got opportunity for the buy side. Okay. We sweep out the sell side liquidity, we have huge displacement back up for the buy side. Ran through bearish inefficiency on the forex, ended up creating inefficiency, although we have this inefficiency also right here. I wanna see the internal P, how it look like. So 1, 2, 3. One more. What we ended up doing, I think, yeah, we sweep out buy side liquidity. So this is possible short model also right from here because we ended up sweeping this buy side liquidity. And although we wanna see price retrace back at least this 4 inefficiency, which we didn't ended up tag into them. Okay, this is what my bias look like. High time frame, we are extremely bullish. We super sell side liquidity, give displacement for the buy side, but in the pre-market session, what we ended up doing, we just sweep out buy side liquidity, and we have generated sell side liquidity and unfilled inefficiency. That's the reason for market to move. No, we don't have equal lows. I think we ended up sweeping the sell side liquidity. London session low is still resting. I think it's kind of equals. It's kind of equal, guys. Okay, sweep out this sell side liquidity. Pretty much looks good. Okay. The initially I was decided to taking short just because we sweep out buy side liquidity and we have unfilled 4 inefficiency, two equal stacked lows, that's session lows. But basically in the pre-market session we ended up sweeping the sell side liquidity, so I'm again looking for longs. Okay, the reason I'm looking for longs right from here, actually don't have entry model right here. uh, okay, this is our basically entry. I missed this inversion, but looks good. Stop at this candle low, targeting these buy side liquidity will break even our trade after this buy side. Reason is pretty much so much simple, guys, not gonna lie. We rebalance back to this 4-hour inefficiency right here. Okay, this we rebalance back to 4-hour inefficiency, we sweep out sell side liquidity, And after that, we inverse the gap right here. We actually have generated buy side liquidity as for target. So okay, did we? Okay, I'm going to break even my trade. Stopped out. Okay, at break even. No worries. Okay, we are far premium in the range, so that's why we going to equilibrium of the range, which are 4 hour inefficiency. And no trade for me today. Long's word looks good. Actually, long's good look. I will possibly take it on 1 minute just because we have a huge inversion right here, but this lag didn't end up sweeping the sell side liquidity. If I taking right here, then I will 99% sure I will cut my trade right here, but I take it on 4 minute because 4 hour looks good. Sweep out sell side liquidity immediately. Bottom ran through inefficiency. Basically, I break even my trade right here. Nothing matter. Okay. Yeah, now we actually rebalance back to equilibrium. We are far premium the range. That's the reason we rebalance back. Okay. Moving to the next day, we are Monday. Okay, what do we ended up doing? Monday, we did Tuesday. Okay, so Wednesday. Wednesday. Oh, alright. Alright, guys. We actually 4 hour inefficiency is still holding longs, but we ended up. Okay. Looks pretty much cautious P right here. Oh, okay. Moving higher, rebalance back to this 4 and efficiency again, looking displacement for the buy side, but didn't ended up giving any confirmation for the longs right here. Neutral bias for the day, I think. Going through, just can't say I don't love you. I love you. Okay, we rebalance back to this 1 hour and 4 hour inefficiency again, give displacement for the buy side, ended up rebalance back to this 1 hour inefficiency again, showing displays back up for the buy side. I think trend is completely for the buy side. That you fuck me, hate it when you cry, scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared I miss you. Happens every time. I don't get feeling. I can't afford love. I try to find reason. Okay, target is London session high. That's completely okay. Okay, how I create conviction in this trade. Higher time frame, we sweep out sell side liquidity, give displacement for the buy side, ended up rebalance back to this 4 and efficiency. Inside them, give displacement on the 1 hour. Inside them, give displacement on the 1 hour. Okay, rebalance back. Again, 4 reasons look like waiting for price to rebalance back to inefficiency, hunt liquidity, and although we have generated buy side liquidity, then I'm looking for longs. After that, give displacement for the buy side, respecting that inefficiency. Basically, I was waiting for price to sweep the sell side liquidity, internal sell side liquidity, and then I'm looking for longs. I'm blaming you. Okay. Waiting for first price to sweep the sell side liquidity, then I'm looking for longs. Oh no, no. No trade, no. No trade for me. I think this is for sell side, at least this sell side. But again, higher time frame not aligning for this. The open take out the London session high and all the way have generated sell side liquidity. It looks good actually. But again, not aligning with the higher time frames. So I'm not touching anything, not doing anything. Nasty price action, guys. Nasty price action didn't end up sweeping this sell side liquidity. Otherwise, I'm looking for longs right here, and that would be my target. But again, no trade for me today. I'm just showing you like how I create conviction in the market every morning. Na, 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 na. No, it makes you feel alone just now, and I would die for you. We have a die for you. Okay. Longs, completely bullish market, waiting for price to rebalance back to this 4 inefficiencies. And then I'm looking for longs. Okay. Again, 4 reason. What 4 reason look like? Waiting for price to rebalance back to this 4-hour unfilled inefficiency. And unfilled inefficiency, that equilibrium of the range. And then I'm slapping longs right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 9 a.m. Oh, not the 9 one. August P has been crazy, guys. Didn't end up catching one trade in the. Now it's 7th of August. Didn't end up catching a single trade right here. Still, we are far premium in the range. I don't like to putting longs right from here. Yeah, we have 1 hour inefficiencies right here, but I just basically wait for price to at least take out these sell side liquidities for me to getting longs, because yeah, that's far premium. Far premium don't like this PA. Actually, not so much fan of this PA. 1, 2. If we take out this buy side liquidity, then I'm looking for short. Let what my bias look like, because we are far premium in the range. I'm expecting. Okay, okay, looks good, looks good. This is actually what I'm expecting from the price. Because when we are, I'm pretty much confident. Yeah, we are far premium, guys. Let's see. I'm looking for short. Why I'm looking for short? Because we are actually bought up more than 2%. We didn't end up sweeping any lows right here. These lows, these lows, these lows. We are just generating sell side liquidity, and although on the higher time frame, like 1 hour, we actually on the 1 hour we actually ended up creating all this inefficiency, unfilled inefficiency, in which I'm expecting price to move, to pull back, to pull back. Okay, so basically this would be my target for the day. We invert this gap right here, slapping short right here, stop at this candle low, I think, and target would be this 1 to 1 risk to reward. But I actually do not care about my risk to reward. Some people like, oh, high risk reward, you will win. Absolutely. I will break even my trade after this low key sweep. Okay. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Took one trade, 1 to 1 RR. Absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy. I only want piece of pie. Oh, holy shit, baby. After sweeping the slow, we immediately bought up. This is why I like so much the model, inversion model. Done for the day. Only one piece of pie. Okay, now we finally, after that, we came down to rebalance back to that inefficiency. That's what my mindset look like, because if we are far premium in the range, I basically wait for price to pull back into the bigger time frame inefficiency, because in the overnight session we are just generating liquidity. So I might expecting New York to open and then again came back down to 100 liquidities. Okay, that we generated in the overnight sessions. Okay, all right, guys. Uh, I'm being completely honest with you. I just pick up random data in front of you, and the reason behind I'm making this kind of videos is not just because sharing, not just sharing like, oh, I have win high RR win rate, just because share letting you know, guys, This is actually so much easy and how I viewed the market every day. Okay, we immediately came down, rebalanced back to 4 and efficiency again, bought up, but didn't ended up ran through this gap right here. Wait a second, wait a second. दादा इधर रुमाल है वो क्या फेंकता है बाप रे बाप अरे यार फिर गर्मी बहुत लग रही है मेरे को Alright. Having this generated buy side liquidity as for target. Looking for longs, possible longs. Okay. Looking for possible longs after this sell side to be sweep. Waiting for price to sweep the sell side liquidity. Cause on the higher time frame we are extremely bullish. Yesterday we just rebalanced back to equilibrium of this entire range, and after that immediately give a nice push toward these highs. Okay, ended up creating inefficiency, ran through bearish inefficiency right here. What I'm basically waiting for, I just again wait for price to rebalance back to this 1 hour unfilled inefficiency and giving me the bullish confirmation. Then I'm looking for longs. Makes sense, actually makes sense, at least for me, and I hope for you also. Asia session high, yeah, kind of second star profile. If we directly open and take out the buy side, I will not taking trades just because higher time frame is extremely bullish. Oh, insane PA guys. Didn't end up sweeping the sell side liquidity. That's what my doll for the day. Okay, no trade, no trade for me. Because you might be asking like why how Pranshu can create a A plus conviction, because yeah guys, doll for the day is already completed. Then I'm not looking for like so much fan of this PA2 taking, oh give me trades, give me trades, give me trades, I wanna bang today, I wanna bang today. Oh no, not like that. Don't like anything. I think this is okay. Okay, I think this is to be drawn liquidity, because after when we are going higher, we are just generating sell side liquidity, and although we are sweeping that buy side liquidity, so that makes sense. I think this inversion makes sense. We just going to target 5 and 15-minute unfilled inefficiencies right here. Yeah, we have this 5-minute unfilled inefficiency that would be target. And that's our 15-minute unfilled inefficiency. Basically, yeah, this is again a good trade if we take, and I just skip so fast because, but yeah, it is also a good trade. Target would be the sell side, and we scale some sort of contracts right at the 15-minute unfilled inefficiency just because trend is completely bullish. Okay, trend is completely bullish. I don't know, we might came down till this or came down till this 15-minute or this 5-minute, because FEG is liquidity for price. When we pull back to FEG, I'm might expecting price to again pull back like going higher. Get my point? So basically I have absorbed some profit right here, breaking my trade and let my runner go till the sell side liquidity. Trade ended up taking, but yeah, because I skip so much fast. Again, same reason guys, same reason for this. Oh, because same reason we sweep out buy side liquidity, and what we ended up doing in yesterday in last trade. Okay, we are just waiting for price to rebalance back to equilibrium on the higher time frame, just because yeah we ended up creating unfilled inefficiencies. So we hunt buy side liquidity, we are generating sell side liquidity, and on the higher time frame we created unfilled inefficiency. So which is we are basically expecting price to again fall back and fill that inefficiencies, although we are generating sell side liquidity, and we just ran through this gap right here. So this is also like good short model till this 15-minute unfilled inefficiency and 5-minute unfilled inefficiency. I hope you got my point why I target 15 and 5-minute unfilled inefficiencies, because FEGs is liquidity for price. When we pull back to 5 and 15-minute inefficiency, I might expect price to again pull back toward that highs. Okay, that's the point. That's the point. Okay, let's jump to another day. Okay, let's jump to another day. Okay, Monday. Oh, up to me more, guy. Again, going toward the all-time highs. Waiting for price to rebalance and pull back to this 4 and efficiency. Trend is completely bullish. Rebalance back to this 4 and unfilled inefficiency. Okay, right now ran through bearish inefficiency, give displacement for the buy side. So just waiting for price to pull back to inefficiency. Then we're looking for longs. I just waiting for see the reaction right after sweeping price sell side liquidity. Yeah, I just waiting. I don't know. We might sweep this sell side liquidity and then bottom. We might came down till this sell side, then bottom, or might came down till. I'm just waiting and be the reactor of the market, and yeah, that's it. Okay, we actually have so much time in the market. Oh, I forgot to skip. I think. Do not have enough conviction in the market. Ran through this bearish inefficiency. Actually, okay. I think it's again a long, because what we ended up we just moving higher, rebalance back to this 4 hour inefficiency, sweep out sell side liquidity, and okay, sweep out sell side liquidity and ran through this bearish inefficiency which we ended up made and give displacement for the buy side. So I think it's possible long model right from here and aiming to target those relative equal highs. Okay, that's pretty much cool because that's London session high and Asia session high. Oh. Waiting for displacement. I think I'm just waiting for displacement for price to moving higher. Okay, all right, guys. Don't like the P. Don't like the P. Okay, don't like the P. I think I'm not doing anything, not touching anything. Oh, shitty man. Do we have any news today? Actually, I have no news, Wendy. T. No, no. Okay. Oh. I'm actually skipping so much trade, guys. Actually, I'm so much skipping so much trade, guys. Oh, I miss another entry right here because that's called 4-minute inversion. We pretty much taking this trade right here and looking for longs will immediately break even this trade right here if we were in the trade. I'm actually skipping so much trades right here. Setups look good. Setup still looks good. We rebalance, pull back to this 4 hour unfilled inefficiency. Again, having a nice push up toward the buy side. Ran through this 1 hour bearish. Okay, got my point. Ran through 1 hour bearish. FEG, which gave me bullish confirmation for my bullish bios. Ended up sweeping all the sell side. Actually sucks. I miss another entry. The fuck. If we were in the trade, guys, I basically break even my trade right there. It sucks. And that would be my final target, just because that would be Asia learning session highs. Oh, no, 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 no. It is what it is. But actually hating myself for this because I missed two entry back to back. No, next time I'm just pressing the buttons a little bit slow so can I actually catch the move. But actually, the thing is not about the catching and showing you, oh, I caught another trade. Actually, showing you the conviction, how I create conviction in the market every morning. That's the point. That's the point. And even that makes sense. Because, like, yeah, everyone can show you in the backtesting, oh, I caught this trade and this and that. But the reason behind that, I'm in this video, I'm actually showing you the reason behind, the math behind why I'm taking this trade. Because I'm actually showing you before it happened, I'm showing you I wanted this. I want expect my market to show me this. And yeah, that's the point. Although right now what we are doing, we just sweep out internal buy side and give pretty much displacement for the sell side. Okay, look like pretty much displacement, but what I'm seeing this called displacement just because we ended up sweeping that buy side liquidity and ended up creating inefficiency, ran through this bullish inefficiency. But still, we have bullish inefficiency also right here, which hold prices. Wanna see internal PA to give me some sort of confirmation. Okay. Okay, so my bias for the day is to be first. I wanna see first price to sweep that buy side liquidity, and then I'm looking to short this trade. Again, the reason we have behind, I'm telling you. Okay. The reason, guys. What we are doing, like we are actually reading the price action. Okay, we are sweeping that buy side liquidity, give displacement for the sell side liquidity, ended up ran through bullish inefficiency, ended up creating bearish inefficiency, and although we are generating buy side or sell side, both side. Okay. Right now, I know the trend is intermediate term is for the side bearish, for the bearish side. Okay, so I just basically wait for price to rebalance back and hunt internal buy side. Then I'm going to target the sell side just because we are generating sell side this low. Okay, completely. No worries. I just I think I created bias too early when it was 4 a.m. in the morning. What I'm doing, God. Sweet, wait a minute. I think might have SMT right from here just because we had huge expansion for the buy side. I think. Mm, yeah, we respect. We respect. We. Mm, I might think we have SMT right here just to push the price higher, but we're still generating sales. Like having a neutral bias for the day, guys. We bought up after inside this 4 hour inefficiency. Didn't ended up sweeping the sell side liquidity, straight bought up and took that buy side liquidity and giving like displacement, kind of displacement. Yeah. Still want price to sweep the sell side liquidity. Still want because we sweep out, ended up sweep out buy side liquidity. This Tiralu 8:30 news, I think. CPI today. Yeah, we have CPI this morning. Like again, let me confirm. Okay. Like moving higher, okay, moving higher, ended up came down. See this sell side liquidity. Okay, moving higher, ended up. See about buy side liquidity, give displacement for this sell side. I ended up creating inefficiency right here, accumulation phase. I would decided to waiting for price to sweep that buy side liquidity. Then I'm looking for long short to target this sell side liquidity. But what we ended up doing, we just immediately bought up, took that buy side liquidity, ran through these gaps right here, but still generating liquidity. Probably higher time frame, guys. Being completely honest, I still want price to sweep those lows just because we are generating them, but I don't like the PA in the way in which we just ran through that bearish gaps, bullish gaps. We are creating this 15-minute FAG for the bearish side. Mm. I actually give again displacement back down for this sell side after sweeping that buy side liquidity. And yeah, I'm pretty much sure just because we generating sell side liquidity, and if we get any continuation trade, we can trade them. Mm-hmm. No, I don't like this PA and came down again sweep data low. Like PA is actually not efficient, and I don't like that PA. No, 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 guys. Skip the day, jump to another day. Actually, the reason you will be start profitable when you stop taking trade when in which you are not so much confident, guys. That's actual reason. If you know that you are not actually so much confident about where price supposed to go, you don't have any conviction for the move and for the market that day, do not take any trade. Just learning and start learning price action and be a learner of the market. Okay, again, same bias for the day. For unfilled inefficiency, expecting price to pull back just because straight bought up. Mm. Still wanna see price to came down to those levels just because we have to rebalance. For moving higher, we at least have to rebalance back to that unfilled inefficiency. We have no news today. Mm. Oh, oh, giving displacement for the buy side. Oh, this B, guys, this B. Oh, no, 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 no. Market was open. Market is open. Ah, such a shitty thing. Such a shitty thing, actually. Having no price action right here, actually having no price action, and we are going toward the sell side liquidity, which I wanna price to sweep. Like August is not crazy as much September was. Oh, holy shit, no trade for me. We actually take these lows, I think. Created equal lows right there. If you sweep out this buy side liquidity and getting inversion, I'm looking for short entry. No, no trade for me today. Again, having great bias, but not price action, which I want for normally, guys. Don't get any model right here. Actually, this is actually what I wanna see to rebalance back to this. Yeah, this is what I told you because if price wanna move higher, at least it have to rebalance back to this unfilled inefficiency, take out sell side liquidity, then we should start bought up. Then we actually should start bought up. Price action is not so much efficient for the P for the August. Ran through bearish, bullish, created bearish. Okay, I'm not making my bias early because last time I lost my conviction when I make my bias so much early, waiting for price to show me. Idioticity took out the buy side liquidity, and after that immediately took out the sell side liquidity. Hmm? Rebalance back to equilibrium, rebalance back to this inefficiency. Wanna see the either price continue the bearish momentum or either just bottom right from here. I'm not so much confident. We still have this 15-minute unfilled inefficiency, 15-minute FEG in which I'm expecting price to like doing some sort of right. Okay, came up and generating sell set. Then I'm looking for sell as for continuation. Didn't ended up sweeping that buy side liquidity for me to putting shorts. Yeah, just generating sell side liquidity. Yeah, I have my inversion, but bro, we didn't ended up sweeping that data high. First thing, always looking for taking trade liquidity sweep. We stopped out initial retailers from the market. Holy shit, no trade for me to take, I think. We are in the whole session, we didn't ended up sweeping any lows right here. We are just generating liquidity, and right now we took out the buy side liquidity. I was completely hop off from the charts. This price action is actually terrible, guys. Oh, okay. Okay, it's look good. Looks good, at least these lows. Hmm. Actually looking good. The reason why I'm telling you for this short should play because what we ended up doing, we just rebalanced back to OTE of the previous price lag. OTE. OTE of the previous price lag. Sweep out buy side liquidity, not this one. Sweep out buy side liquidity, and we have generating sell side liquidity. Yeah, that's the reason. And I would love to target this 15-minute unfilled inefficiency. Okay. All the way TP down till here. Like not insanity, guys. I'll absorb some sort of right here. Okay. Okay. SL2 break even, and I think I should cut my confirm. Oh. Ah yeah. Okay. Oh, holy shit. Okay. Bang. Bang. Yeah. Bang. 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 Insane RR 4.4 actually recover everything because we didn't ended up taking trades last from 1 week, 1 to 4 RR. Pretty much simple solid day. Rebalance back to OTE, and rebalance back to OTE. We have generated sell side liquidity, we sweep out buy side liquidity, we just invert that gap. Okay, if I'm taking trades right here, okay, like if I'm taking trades right here, I will pretty much break even my trade after that 5 or 15-minute unfilled inefficiency, absorbing some sort of profit right here, here, and although we have all low resistance liquidity run, smooth run toward the sell side, which we got done. I actually like it. 3 trades. Okay, 3 trades, guys. 3 winning trades. Not a single losing trade. like my model so much. Because no worries. If I'm not making money, at least I'm not losing money. Because like making money in the trading not so much like making money in trading not hard. Like just keep that money to you. That actually makes sense. Keep that money to you. What you ended up doing? Oh, you are still respecting that 4 and bearish FEG, like give displacement, sweep on internal buy side liquidity, give again displacement back down for the sell side. Uh. Still want price to sweep these lows because we are generating sell side liquidity. Generating sell side liquidity, give displacement back down for the sell side. I am predicting there will be SMT right here. There might be SMT right here from these lows just because we give a nice push toward this sell side liquidity. I'm predicting that. Okay, not make bias too much early. Okay, we actually one more candle to. Oh no, no guys, no. Oh, that's 9. But yeah, that's what our bearish bias because I already told you like we are what we are doing. We display for the sell side, sweep out internal buy side, then dug, and then I predicted that SMT because it really give a nice push toward the sell side liquidity. Although we are just generating sell side liquidity right here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, let's deep diving into it. I'm waiting for price to sweep this buy side liquidity again. For reason look like rebalance back to this. For reason, I'm just waiting for price to rebalance back to equilibrium because we get displacement right here. We are generating buy side liquidity. I want to price to 100 liquidity. Then we're going towards the sell side liquidity right here. Okay, we are still in the 15-minute inefficiency. Oh. Ooh. I'll again slapping shorts right here after if we sweep out that buy side liquidity. Otherwise, I'm not taking any kind of trade. Big fat candle. Oh no, we still have enough in the room to target. But we end up sweeping that buy side liquidity. Oh, I'm just watching the PA. No trade for me. Might be no trade for me. Nope. Nope. Guys, nope. Open straight dump. Can we? Can we target this unfilled inefficiency of the 1 minute? Yeah, we can. I think. I think we can. Uh, okay. Let me see. Let me see first. Yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. Opposite in the trend, but yeah, pretty much makes sense. Because we rebalance back to equilibrium of this whole range. We sweep out sell side liquidity. Okay, we sweep out the sell side liquidity right here, and we actually have unfilled 5 minute inefficiency, which we already take. So I'm not taking any kind of longs right here. Mm, not taking any kind of low longs. No trade for me. I think there was news right here. No trade for me. My conviction is 99% of time played out. 99% of time my technical is right. So much right. Again, right here, I'm still right. Okay. 15, 16. Okay. Mm. We are in the bearish trend right here, guys. I wanna see price to sweep those lows. We are actually in the bearish trend. We're expecting bearish order flow. We just ran through. Oh. We just ran through this big bullish inefficiency. 9. Okay, we are generating sell side liquidity right here. Okay, if we take this sell side liquidity, then I'm looking for longs to target that 1 hour unfilled inefficiency, because that's the reason for price. That's the reason for me, because if you wanna trade lower, at least we should rebalance back to that unfilled inefficiency of the 1 hour. And although we have internal buy side liquidity, I'm pretty much sure. And if we open and rebalance back to this 1 hour inefficiency, then I'm looking for short to target all this low resistance liquidity run. Maybe I love you more than myself. We are, I think. Yeah, we are equilibrium right here. Yeah, if you still wanna move lower, yeah, branch. Are you right? Yeah, absolutely right. I'm right. We are just generating internal buy side liquidities. Guys, actually so much simple. Wanna move lower? Okay, we wanna trade lower on the higher time, so at least we have and sweep out all that internal buy side rebalance back to this 1 inefficiency. Then we should probably go lower till the sell side liquidity. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I was just waiting for price to sweep that buy side liquidity, because we didn't ended up sweeping any sort of sell side liquidity. So bias is extremely bearish. But I will not touching the market unless and until we like we sweep out that buy side liquidity. Don't wait for me. Oh. No, guys. We just generating sell side liquidity right here. Uh, okay. Sweep out buy side liquidity. We generate sell side liquidity. Okay, this is buy side liquidity which I already drew in the pre-market analysis. Okay, what we are doing, I think this move should push lower, because okay, just rebalance back to equilibrium and rebalance back to all of these inefficiencies. We sweep out buy side liquidity. We have two equal lows right there, equal lows for magnet for price to move. I'm just basically waiting for price to, oh no, 3 minutes. 3 minutes look good. Hmm. It actually was look good. I probably stopped out at the break even, because yeah, if I took my entry right here, stop at this candle high, targeting this lows right here, this candle stop me out at the break even again. Conviction was played out. I know what I'm doing right here, and I hope you guys also should know what I'm doing right here. Super buy side liquidity. Displacement for the buy side ran through all that inversion gaps right here. Okay. Nowadays, I actually grinding like more than 12 hours a day just to make 2026 better for me at least. Bearish momentum, bearish. Displacement, support internal buy side, again displacement. Okay, what we did, again support internal buy side. Okay, after that ran through bullish inefficiency. What we did, ended up created bearish inefficiency. Respect them, again trade lower means No, A plus setup, support buy side liquidity, key displacement for the sell side, again bought up, take out buy side liquidity, key displacement for the sell side, move higher, so you got internal buy side right here, key displacement for the sell side, I wanna do the same reaction right here, displacement, so you got internal buy side liquidity. If this high is protected, I think, because we, again, this is called turtle soup. I wanna see the same, like price have should build price action inside them and doing some sort of turtle soup right here, and again slapping shorts. Low, 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 low. Oh no, 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 no way, guys. No trade. Actually, rebalance back to this inefficiency. No trade for me. Directly fall down. Directly fall down. Like at this moment, at this stage, I was still thinking like predicting the market is actually making your bias conviction so much easy breezy to do, guys. I think we are going toward these lows right here because displacement was actually so much good right here. My next doll to be this lower right here. Okay. Hmm. Okay, bought up. Wanna see internal PA right here? No, no trade, no trade. The reason why I'm not taking these kind of setups right here, yo, might be it give this take it might give your target right here again. But like we just give displacement and we retest that level and just fall back. I just wanna see some sort of internal manipulation. Like okay, the reason why 99% of the time I was like waiting for this kind of turtle soup because like okay, like right here everyone knows like oh displacement back down, so they would just basically wait for price to retest and like okay, like yeah, price just retest this level and give bearish confirmation, and the retailers, what retailers think like okay, they are just shorting right here, they are shorting right here and target these lows and okay, target these lows. So basically what market do 99% of the time, guys, like even not 99 but at least 60 to 70% time, market key showing like okay, I'm rejecting and not giving the target, again bought up and sweep out this buy side liquidity and then stopped out them from the market. Okay, stopped out them from the market because they have stop loss and they put in their stop loss right here and markets hunt this stop loss and then will go down toward the sell side liquidity, and then I will waiting for price to give me some sort of confirmation. Generating stack lows right here. I might think we have SMT. I might think. To be honest, guys. Oh no, yes. But I think didn't ended up sweeping that buy side liquidity. So I'm not taking anything unless and until we have SMT right here. If we have SMT right here, then I'm looking for long short. Looks good. Looks actually good, guys. Okay, text. I think okay, we displacement for this sell side. We bought up and we bought up, didn't sweep out that buy side liquidity, but we really get a nice push toward the sell side liquidity. And we just invert this gap, 5 minute gap right here. So I'm predicting this might be SMT. I'm not be worried if I was stopped out just because I'm predicting right here because I'm not opening the ES right here. This is more I'm expecting price to give me. Just because how I predicted this SMT, just because we have really nice push toward the sell side. We what nice push look like we just ran through bullish inefficiency, we just invert this gap, so it is inversion. That's why I'm predicting and just looking for shorts right here. Okay, targeting these lows. Also we might should let our runner go till the sell side equity, but I'll only catch the point. So much. Okay, holy fuck, guys. Ping, bang, bang, bang. Actually, like insane trade, insane. one candle hit the entire TP. 1 to 2 is to reward. Insane good. Okay. Prediction was good. Prediction was actually good. Prediction was actually good, guys. Okay, and still I want to see price to flush back lower. Oh, this is what I told you. Guys, this is what I told you. Trading is not that much hard. You guys make that shit actually so much fucking hard. Oh, okay, I do trading. Predicting the market is hard. Not that hard. Just wait for price to give us good confirmation right from here. Again, next day. Okay, what we did Tuesday. So we should basically wait for Wednesday action. Sweep out all the sell side liquidity. Wanna see one push toward the highs. Wanna see. There's a reason why, because we actually sweep out the stacked lows right here. Let's see. No, okay, wanna trade lower. Okay, I think we should wanna trade lower. We have two inefficiencies right here. One as this one 4 hour inefficiency, and the second one would be this inefficiency. I basically wait for what price shows reaction inside these 4 hour unfilled bearish inefficiencies. Okay. We are moving higher. Yeah, it's look good because we still have 1 hour inefficiency right here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we have this 1 hour inefficiency. I wanna see either price give displacement again for this sell side right from here, or either we go up and rebalance back to equilibrium of the range. 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9, not the 9 one. Okay. Okay, 8 to 9 we actually have. Okay, okay. Inside this 1 hour inefficiency, give nice push toward these lows. Mm, 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 mm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, this is the move. I think either price should again take that buy side liquidity. Then I'm looking for shorts. Okay, no trade. Didn't ended up sweeping that buy side liquidity. Might be have SMT right there. Still have a lot in the room. Just these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows. Okay. Mm, pretty much done. Uh, oh God, insane. Either you wanna flush through these lows toward these lows. No, not it for me. Right here, we don't have any inversion. Otherwise, I will take just because it's turtle soup model. We, like previously, I just told you about the retailers. Like, okay, like the how the retailers think. Like, okay, retailers think like, okay, we have really push down towards the sell side. Like, they just wait for some sort of retracement right here, and okay, we just move higher. And after that bearish gap, they took their entry. And what market ended up doing, we just didn't ended up 100 sell side liquidity. We are just generating liquidity. Then we stopped out them, and then after give final move right here. That's why I always wait for price to give me turtle soup entry. But right here, no inversion, so note it for me. Might give reversal from here to target these highs. Oh, no, market was closed. Don't wait for me, at least today. I think how much trade we actually caught? Oh, fucking shit. Excuse my language. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you really learned something from this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The reason behind making this kind of videos, not just sharing like my win rate, like my RR, my like I didn't lose any single trade in this. We actually caught like 4 to 5 winning trades. Like yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason behind my making this kind of videos just to sharing like how I approach the market every morning. What the reason behind I'm giving you the bias of the morning, like what's buy side, sell side, the four reason look like, how you can actually apply in the real market. Like yeah, I'm doing the same shit again and again and again, and guys. And if you really love this kind of backtesting session, please let me know in the comment section. Do you really love, so I can make more this kind of videos, so that which really help you guys. And if you didn't join my Discord, please, I highly recommend you to join my Discord, because in my community I upload daily bias, pre-market session, post-market session. I'm helping you as much as I can. There are a lot of people bang in my community. Okay, and yeah, join my Instagram and Twitter. Hope see you in the next one. Peace out.